Okay, hello everyone. This is a project that I started, I don't know, probably, I had it in mind for, I don't know, about 4 months on what to do. Then I bought this box. I actually bought 4 of these boxes for $1 each. And I thought, oh, this would be a great way to put together a nice little emergency 5-volt system. All of these here, I had on another project I was working on that I kind of scrapped and started taking the parts off of it for other stuff. But these wires, these are 5-volt DC chargers. Input is 12 volt and they put out 5 volts. I use these to charge these batteries I have in this down here. I have 7 on this side and 7 on this side. These are all 4 volt each. You can charge it with a 5-volt charger. And if you look and see on the sides here, I put some rails on there. These are actually from power boxes, 120 volt power boxes. You can use them in your house. And as I wired all these wires up and put them in these rails, that got you negative here and the positive here. All 14 of these batteries are actually tied into the positive and negative of this. Then the power going out, which are these wires here, and I'm going to add other power because I have more areas to add more power. These power going out were from another project, like I said earlier, and I can plug in an extension wire to any one of these. This extension wire is only like 3 feet long. And then I can hook up one of these lights that I showed you in an earlier video. Oh, that must have got stepped on there because it won't push in. Okay, now it pushes in, and then I plug it into one of these. I plug it in, so and I've got that means I have a switch in between it. Turn the power on, and the light would come on. Now, I did this for an emergency power source. In case all my power goes out in the house, I can just wire up a whole bunch of lights throughout the house if I wanted to, and plus it's portable. Like I said, that these charge it. And let me go ahead and put that back in there. And I'll show you how I actually charge these, turn these on. I added these clamps. I actually hook these to any battery. I can hook them to a 12-volt car battery or a lithium battery, and I can charge them off of that. I'm going to do a little better of a safer way of doing this because this was just my first attempt at making this little box here, and then it runs in through the back. It's pretty rigged up right now. This is loose in here. I want to make it more permanent. I may not use all of these. I may go a different route. But the same way with these here, if I want to convert it over to a different plug-in, I can add that to it. And then, of course, I have the double-ended plug-in. I can put that one on there. And then I've got the double end if I want to convert it back over to the other, which I don't have to since I have so many of them to do. But this is my most recent kind of an experiment that I was doing, and I like it. I've already used it. I actually, when I go in and take a bath, I put one of these lights on each end of the tub, and then I just run it off the power source by using some extension wire. And then I just sit in there in the tub, and I don't waste any electricity, hardly at all any electricity, because I'm running off a 5-volt power supply. Thank you very much.